Meaning of esoteric.
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 Esoteric. The term esoteric refers to knowledge, ideas, or teachings that are intended for or likely to be understood by only a small number of people with a specialized knowledge or interest. Esoteric knowledge is considered to be mysterious, obscure, and difficult to comprehend by those who lack the necessary background or expertise. It often involves spiritual, mystical, or occult concepts that are not part of mainstream or conventional thinking. The word esoteric can also be used to describe something that is intended for or understood by only a select few in a given field or industry.